Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Morningstar. This highly sought-after flail weapon is a fantastic addition to your arsenal, known for its impressive damage and unique abilities. To begin your quest, you must first defeat the jungle boss, Plantera. This action transforms the dungeon, allowing new, stronger enemies to spawn. These new foes are your primary target for obtaining this rare item. Once Plantera is defeated, head to the hard mode dungeon. Your main targets are the dungeon spirits, which have a 1/6 chance to drop the Morningstar. To maximize your chances, consider boosting your luck. Items like the lucky coin or specific potions can help. Additionally, using battle potions and placing water candles will increase enemy spawn rates, leading to more opportunities for the Morningstar to drop. To make your farming more efficient, create a dedicated arena within the dungeon. A small, enclosed space helps funnel enemies directly to you, making them easier to defeat. Equip gear that enhances your damage and provides good defense, ensuring you can withstand sustained combat. Don't forget to utilize buffs from food and potions. A summon weapon can also provide valuable passive damage, helping you clear enemies faster. Congratulations on acquiring the Morningstar. This powerful flail has a base damage of 165 and excellent knockback, making it superb for crowd control and single-target damage. Its unique ability to inflict the Ichor debuff reduces enemy defense by 15 points, significantly boosting your overall damage against tough foes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.